what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. In this video we'll be working on 2017 Maserati side damage. We'll be replacing the quarter panel, door and the rocker molding. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. Let's take a look at the damage. What we got here. So fender is okay. We gotta replace the door, new quarter panel and new rocker molding. New quarter panel just came in, so we'll start working on it. So we got the new quarter and we got the new door. That's the front door, brand spanking new, straight from the dealer. Alright, we got the car in the shop. Time to remove everything. We're gonna remove the door, the rocker, rear bumper, tail light, and start cutting the quarter panel out. Let's get to it. Alright, we got the bumper off. Same with the tail lights. Everything from the inside of the trunk as well. We'll do the door next and then start taking all the inside trim. Rear seats, rear panel, door panel. Alright, the door is off. Now we're gonna remove the back seat, the back side panel, and this back panel. Alright, the whole car is stripped. We removed everything what was necessary. The rocker, the door, the inside trim, the seats, window, same with the back, the trunk compartment. Alright, we're all ready to cut this out. So this is where I'm going to do my cut, right here. One right here, one over here, and it should all come out nice and easy. Make sure everything you remove, you tag and bag, so you can put the car back together and you don't have any extra screws left. Alright, we cut the quarter out completely. Everything is ready for the new one. Alright, the quarter panel is in. We're gonna secure it with little screws right now, and then we'll put the tailgate, the light, the bumper, the door to see how everything lines up, all the gaps. If everything looks good, we'll do the final welds. Alright, everything is on. It looks pretty good. Gaps are perfect everywhere. We could start welding. Right, we're all set. Gonna start welding the quarter. Car is all covered. So yeah, we're gonna weld right here. weld right here, weld right here, and the rest we're gonna use spot weld. Alright, we're all done with the welding. Came out clean. We'll grind this down right here, right there, and we'll put some Bondo, primer, and ready for paint. Alright, the Bondo is all finished. Everything looks good. Time for primer. Okay, we got the car in the spray boot, covered up, ready to go. We're gonna jump the door, the rocker, the back end, and the door. And then we're gonna install the door and paint everything completely. Alright, the Maserati got jammed. And ready for paint. So we're gonna install the door and then paint everything complete. Alright, let's go look at the Maserati. It got painted last night. There she is. Wow. Okay, time to put this Maserati back together. Should be fun. I'm gonna start with the interior. I'm gonna put the panel back, the seats, everything inside, and then we'll do the exterior. Interior is completely finished. Now we'll start working on the exterior. Putting the bumper together, the trunk, the door, front fender. Okay, put the car together for the most part. Still waiting for a door handle. It's broken, so we order a new one. We're gonna color sand and buff the whole car. Just picked up the car from the car wash. It looks super clean. Wow, like nothing ever happened.